After the butter melts, add popcorn seeds. Cover it. It started popping. Turn off the flame. Now we're going to caramelize the popcorn. In a heated pan, add 1 cup of brown sugar. Six tablespoons of butter. Wait for it to start bubbling. Now add your popcorn. Lower your heat. If you want, you can also add nuts. Turn off the flame and put it in the oven for a few minutes and it will be ready to serve.